Alexandra and welcome to my studio. You can see Leo sleeping there, right? So I'm Dragon 3 is live and knit along is on. I want to show you the pattern. So it's 10 pages long. In the beginning I thought it's going to be 9 pages, but it turned out to be 10. So 10 pages of very detailed written instructions, a lot of notes, chart, and photo tutorial. Also on this channel you can find my video tutorials that I've done to support this pattern, and I cover their techniques of blocking, because the blocking is very kind of unique for this design, and how to apply the beads and do double cast on sides. So when you read the pattern, all the links are there, all the links on those videos in my Ravelry page, so you have no problem with, hopefully it would be very easy to follow. Also, I have this pattern available now on Etsy, just in case. So you see behind me 3 samples that I already have done. So this is Ruby, and I love all of them, absolutely. Emerald and Citrine. And here I have the original one, and this one is Amethyst, of course. And I really lean toward those colors lately for probably past 2 years. Oh, Leo is getting bored. So this is probably my go-to, but I love the rest of them. Just absolutely stunning. And Hedgehog Fibers was absolutely amazing company to work with and collaborate. And the yarn is superb. That's the best description I can give you. So, but I'm gonna do knit along as well together with you, and I want to show you. So here I have opal, and I already pre-bead them. So that's what you have to do before you start knitting, and it will have you, it's got instruction how many beads on each. This is A, B, and C. So get your yarn pre-beaded, your needles. You start with US 2.5 and check your gauge. You may want to use size 3. I want to stress out that you really should read notes before you start doing the whole written instructions and the chart, because notes are important there, and I really like everything there is important. So one of the things I stress out, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll let you read it, but one of the things I stress out is that your stitches should be very firm, not loose, because it's not, so there's, see, it's very firm. If they're too loose, you wouldn't be able to block it properly, and it would be very hard to keep the shape that we needed to keep it on. So you start with 2.5 or 3, depends on your gauge or whatever, and we finish with size 1. So don't worry about size 1 at the beginning. So, and both of those needles should be 40 inches long, and I use Chiago. This is the only needles I use. This is my absolutely favorite, and to me there is no other comparison. Also, of course, the pattern include a photo tutorial for royal pom tassels, and that's what I call them, royal pom tassels. So they are absolutely fantastic and fabulous, and they are not hard to do, but I have written instruction and photo tutorial, so you have step by step of how to make them. Also, I'm planning to make a video tutorial as well, and it's actually took me, I already started 2 weeks ago, but it's taking me way longer than I thought. So probably it would be ready by end of the next week. So anyway, but for now, this is all you need. Also, row counter. Maybe you want to check on your pattern, or if it's an electronic one, get your row counter. This is my favorite. It's just where it doesn't go anywhere, just always with you. Love that. And you will need 26 stitch markers. So if you have all those things in the checklist, fantastic. So I will start working on this Opal Dragon tonight together with you. So on Ravelry, we have a chat in my Ravelry group. So we have a, like a chat specifically for this design. So find us there, and it's the easiest way to get in touch with me. And if you have any questions or you want to see what other people are working on, that would be wonderful. So it's on, and very happy for everybody who is participating, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.